Hi, I'm Mitch from Store 531 in Portland, Maine. Welcome to the lab. So today we're talking about the KitchenAid Smart Oven Plus and the KitchenAid Stand Mixer. With these two things, you can make anything. So the KitchenAid Smart Oven Plus is kind of like the next level of cooking. This oven includes a grill attachment, a baking stone attachment, and a steamer attachment, and they all fit interchangeably. This is the power hub. It connects to the back of the oven. It really helps me become a better chef. It can tell you the temperature, it can adjust it on the fly. The best cook in my family would be my dad. He has always cooked for us for as long as I can remember. He would love these. This is the KitchenAid Stand Mixer. There are so many things you can attach to this. You can use the Fresh Prep Shredder for vegetables and cheeses. With the Pasta Maker, you can make all kinds of pasta. Fettuccine, spaghetti, a bunch of other kinds I can't really pronounce. Oh, this? I made it with these. You can make anything, even shrimp pesto fettuccine. So if you want to step up your cooking game, KitchenAid's got you covered. That's it from the lab. If you have any questions, come on in and see me. Spiralized zucchini. Yeah, it's just spiralized zucchini. Actually sounds pretty good.